LangMagic is a library of great content on different topics for language learners of every level. It is also a set of tools to work with those materials. The tools allow you to comprehend native content and also build your language skills, understand language structures, expand and activate vocabulary. LangMagic allows you to save words and phrases of interest and then review them with a reference to the original context.
Comment reconnaître une bonne baguette?
Let's look at some details now. When you read through text, subtitles in this instance, highlight any word or phrase to access translation. You can set multiple languages to translate to. AI feature will help you with any questions about the language. Grammar explanations and example of usage are good examples. All your selections will be auto-saved. Auto-saved pieces have green underlines. Autosave make it very easy to keep track of your work. It also allows LangMagic to understand your level of proficiency and interests, so we can make better content suggestions for you in the future. Saved tab is a place for phrases and words you save deliberately. To do that, you can either use Save button in subtitle area or move from auto-saved. When you go through text consequent times, you can see what invoked your interest by looking at underlines and highlights. You can open list of saved phrases, go through them, and jump into original context if needed. You can also generate new content, reach in target phrases,